Welcome to navi3. Filter and filter box are an important part of the navi3 cleaning robot. Clean filters ensure good cleaning performance, protect the pump and even save electricity. If the filters are not cleaned, the dirt can dry up and significantly impair the cleaning performance. In addition, bacteria get stuck on the filter material. Therefore, clean the filters with a Puromat after each cleaning cycle. A filter twister or by hand. Also check regularly whether the filters are still in order. Then take the filters out of the filter box and check the material by fanning out the filter lamellae. The fabric is like a sieve. When held up to the light, the fabric must be translucent. There should be no dirt between the slats. Hair clips and other vacuumed objects can damage the material and thus impair the cleaning effect. If the mesh becomes clogged, the filter must be replaced. Check all filters in this way. Also check the seals of the filter box. The seals must be soft and yield to gentle pressure. If the seals are hard or compressed, they must be replaced. The link to a video on how to replace the filter box seals yourself is in the description. The springs on the filter box cover press the filters onto the seals. In order for these to be tight, the springs must also be in order. Therefore, also check whether the springs still have enough tension. Now see how you can check the filters yourself. Fill the filters with water. If the water drains quickly, the filter is okay. In the example, the filter on the left is clogged and needs to be replaced. Thank you for your interest. You can find more information about our products on our website or on our YouTube channel.